Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in online in the Avianca application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the check-in button at the bottom of the page. So as you can see, you can check in online 48 hours before your flight, and 24 hours if you're traveling to or from the United States or Canada. So bear this in mind. And in order to check in, you need to provide your reservation code and your last name. And once you typed both of them, you can click on the start check-in button to check in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.